All right, we're going to be making some caramel sauce, vegan caramel sauce. So I'm going to use, I can't believe it's not butter, the sticks. I'm going to stick one whole stick of that in here, and I'm going to just let that melt. All right, so we are melting, and I'm going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar. I'll just start mixing this. As well as making it vegan using oat milk. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oat milk to this. And now mix this up. Make sure there's no chunks. And we're going to let it start boiling just for a few minutes. So now you see it's coming to a boil. Gonna let that boil a little bit, about 2 minutes. You don't want to let it burn. I'll come back in 2 minutes. This is what it looks like 1 minute later. All right, 2 minutes later, I'm going to shut off the heat, and it'll still seem very thin, but it'll thicken up. You just don't want to overcook it. It's already getting a little darker than how it started. And then take that off the heat. And put it on. Out of here. Just put it right here. So let it cool. And I'm going to add just a teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. Mix that in. And I'll come back in a few minutes to see how it thickens up. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and I've just let it sit, and you could see, there's even like a little bit of a skin on top. But look how much thicker it now has become. So I just cut up an apple, got some apple slices, and I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of this caramel all over my apples. Enjoy!